In this video, we will show you how to remove Powered by Squarespace on Squarespace website. When you create website with Squarespace, you will see on the footer there is text similar look like this, and if you think this is must be hid or delete, you can do that. First, you need to log in your dashboard and go to your website in here. This is my website. And you must activate the design mode on your website. You can double click anywhere in here, for example like this, and until the section of footer is appear, you can just click edit footer, look like this. Then to edit this text, you can just double click, and for example you can just delete it, and you can click done in here and save. You can also change with the text you want, but in here let's just clear and look like this, and we can reload our website. Voila, now the text is gone or not appear again. And that's all tutorial how to remove Powered by Squarespace on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.